Yeah, hello guys. Well, welcome to another cool time with Blessed. Today, I thought it'd be cool to showcase this capture the flag and TryHackMe. It's just, I think, beginner capture the flag thing, and not really complex, but it's all about doing some cool stuff around embedded world. So we'll be seeing how to unravel some secrets, probably hidden in words or in plain sight, and also how to maybe try to use one or two tools to read correctly a few coded or encoded text, or maybe file, probably an encoded file. We could download that and try to use one or two other tools to read what is in it. This is something that is common. You do around obfuscation. So something is hidden. You're trying to unravel is what is being hidden. You can actually use some techniques that you've been learning from this session to do stuff like that. Or you could also hide stuff in plain sight, kind of like fun. Anyways, so getting right into this. Today I'll be working for my Mac, and as you can see, it's got it set up already. So I already started the challenge, but I just stopped at some point, and I thought it'd be cool to maybe do a recording and share with you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments on YouTube. And also, please, we've got our YouTube channel thing up. Go like some of our videos, watch them, and probably share with your friends. Let's grow the YouTube channel. Thanks. Yeah, so the first task here, it's in TryHackMe. The first task here is actually translation and shifting. So as usual, we've got a bunch of gibberish there. The first one there, if you can probably use your third eye, you may be able to just code it right up. It's written in lit speak. It's kind of like a funky uh, um, language. Should I say it's language or maybe, yeah, just funky a little bit, and it's cool. I find myself using this even most times. Even I think my website is actually in lit. Yeah, if I'm correct. So if you look through, you may be able to just figure it out, or you could go Google and check. But let me walk you through. So we can see the first letter is C, the next letter is a 4, and the next is N. So in English, there is a word can, right? So we can see the 4 there in lit represents A. So can, then this is obviously very easy to interpret. Can you? Then this is C. Now we already know 4 is A. So we can see CA, P, then 7, that looks like a T, U, then we can see 2. Now I can see the 3, which seem more like an E reversed. So we can see this is capture. Then again, TH3, that's E. Capture V. Then F1, that seems like an L. Then 4 again, A. Then 9, in this case, is a G. So can you capture the flag? Pretty straightforward, and you're able to decode that and you dump it in there. You could practice probably late on your own. Fun stuff to do, like I say. Your friends will be like, whoa, what are you doing? Okay, then the next one there is something which we're going to be dealing with binary, so we can see zeros and ones. Usually the computer language is binary, so zeros and ones is all you've got there, nothing more. So which means you have to be looking for a way probably to try to maybe use an online tool to convert binary to maybe human readable text, and that might just solve the problem. I think there's a pretty cool website which we're going to go look up for. Let me see if I can open my browser. I think it's HTTPS. I'm gonna put the column dot rapid. I think it's called rapid tables. Let's see rapidtables.com if that is online. If it's online, then I think we can use it to we can showcase it. At this point, I need to stress I'm not sure if there's a copyright. I'm just using this tool. I'm not trying to use it to make money. It's just YouTube video. Then also need to put a disclaimer here. Anything I'm doing is just for educational purpose. I don't intend to teach you how to go hack and maybe gain unauthorized access. If you do that, I won't be held responsible for that. So please do note that. All right, so let's go look for anything around binaries. So it's got a bunch of maybe under code, maybe under code, or maybe under converter. Choose is the converter. Okay, still checking. I think there is a converter, so I'll put go to the converter that converts directory, and then maybe number. Um, there's a number directory, probably. Let's see if this will load up. If it does, then we'll look for binary. So we're converting binary to human readable. That will be binary to Ascii, I believe. So we check the binary to Ascii converter, and there we go. So we could go grab that binary code. I'm just going to copy this and go right into there and dump it. Maybe I can just do a direct. So I'm going to convert this and see. Oh, let's try some binary out. Cool. So that's what it is. Now you can grab this and go dump it in the flag, and you're good to go. So we've got that converted. Now the third one is a little bit quanky also, so we can look at that. But that rings kind of like something in our mind. So if you look at it, you've got this mix up of capital letters and just random gibberish, and at the end you've got that equal 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 all the way down to the ending part of it. So that might also be a little bit messed up to understand, but I believe our tool also can we can use the same tool to try to unravel that, or maybe we'll try a different tool this time around. I think there's a tool on GitHub which we're going to be trying. Let's see if that can help us. I'm just going to do some Google search randomly. Basically, I'm not sure. That seemed like a base, not a base 64. From what I can see, to me, it seemed like a base 32. But we'll verify. So let's look for a base decoder. Maybe base 32 decoder. Well, my system is a bit slow because I've got a bunch of YouTube thing running in the background, so not very clear. But let's see how this works. I'm gonna quickly go grab that gibberish stuff there, and let me see if I can copy it. Then I dump it in here. See if it will give me something. Whoa, base 32 is super common in CTFs. So obviously it's base 32. It's encoded in base 32. So we just decode. Let's go verify if we're correct. I'll dump the answer there and see if we're good. We'll get a green. Good. All right. So the next one also looks like a gibberish. Again, the next one, I will not be tempted to think it's a base 32 because I can see upper and lowercase, right? Unlike the first one where it's all uppercase, the next one it's got upper and lowercase. So I think that seemed like a base 64. So this time around we'll go check for base 64. Maybe we can look up for it here. Base 64 to Ascii. If that's a thing, it will seem like a thing. Okay, great. So let's go grab that base 64. Like I told you, looking at it, you can see it's a mix of upper and lower case. So it's 64, base 64 encoded. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go in my online decoder. Oh, okay, I didn't select what I'm decoding to. Input text, and okay, I'm just going to go back. That didn't give me the option to do that. I thought I could have just done it directly from there. So let's look for base 64 to Ascii. So Ascii is human readable, so pretty easy to read. I'm going to open this one and just grab some water while that is cruising. I see there's a lot happening in the background, so we're gonna go to Ascii. Oh no, give me a second, please. I think the other one we're using, I would have preferred that one. I'm not very comfortable with this green color in my eyes. It's just doing some greeny stuff. Yeah, I really need to get my glasses because yeah, that color seemed too sharp for me to look at for a long time. So let's wait for this one to load, and probably we'll try that one. And I'm actually connected to very slow internet. Please, sorry, apologies. Okay, so we'll paste that in here and we'll decode it. Each basis 4-digit represents exactly 6 bits data. So that's our results. I'm just gonna grab this and go dump it in there quickly and verify. We're good. We look good. Okay, so we're done with thus far about 4 different challenges, and maybe we'll take a pause and just have a chitty chat. Now, what we're doing basically it's something that you'll find useful even for your day-to-day career, kind of like you could hide stuffs in plain sight, like I did say. I could just write a letter and completely encode it. Now it's encoded, remember, not encrypted. So if it's encoded, it means it can be decoded just very easily. If anybody who grabs it and understands that this has been encoded using maybe any of the encoding algorithm can decode it and see that message. So that's the difference between encoding, decoding, and encryption. So encryption, obviously the person will need some keys to be able to decrypt it. So it's better, more secure when we're talking about data confidentiality and integrity. Encryption shines, not just encoding. Encoding could be could be something to work with, but encryption is what you want to fall back to as a default if you're going to be doing that. So next we've got these numbers. Reminds me of a MAC address. Yeah, so that looks like a hex stuff. So because we know hexadecimal is numbers and letters, so you could get an hexadecimal converter to ASCII. Let's go online again and check if we find something that does hex to ASCII, and we're able to use that to decode the encoded message. So I'm going to copy this quickly. I'm just going to copy that. I don't have my mouse with me, so I'm using I don't have an external mouse, sorry. I'm just using what is in there. And the internet pretty suck. Yeah, please bear with me. Suck pretty bad, I know. So let's look for hex decoder. So we grab one of them and we just dump our stuff in there and hex decoder online. So let's try this one out. I'm just trying random. I don't have any specifics like you can see. So you could also try anyone that's simple easy for you to work with basically. And these are all open source stuff, so you don't have to pay for anything. This is taking its time. I'm not sure why, but we're just gonna wait for it. The video might extend a bit because we've got a crappy internet here and it's just not helping us. Okay, good. All right, so let's dump our hex thing here and see what that gives us. Hexadecimal or base 16. Okay, cool. We'll grab that text and we go dumping in there to verify if we're correct. I'm sure it's going to tell us. Obviously we're good. All right, so next we can see this gibberish like stuff. I could try to use my brain, but I may fry my brain. I don't want to fry my brain. So okay, so again, that is encoded, but the question is, what is this encoded in? We could go use Google to check around, but I think it's ROT 13. I think it's ROT 13, but I'm just letting you know. But you could go try Google, and Google could tell you exactly what This is encoded in there. Now, how do we know that? Let's say we grab this dirty looking stuff. Let's grab it and just ask Google around if the internet will help us. It's pretty slow, but let's ask Google. Let's dump it in there and see what Google throws back at us. It may just tell us. Basically, the rot, if you don't know what it means, it's just rotating it, taking the input and rotating it about 13 times. That could rotate as many times as possible, then comes the name rot. So it's more or less taking the input and rotating it, more like it's a Caesar cipher or something like that. So if I'm going to dump this in here and see what Google comes back, obviously see rot 13 decoder. So let's check this out. Let's see what that gives us. We'll dump our gibberish ciphertext here and rotates me 13 places, obviously. Okay. So we can cut this and go dump this in there. So obviously, like I did explain, rot, it's more like it's a form of Caesar cipher. So what it does is it rotates the inputs to generate the ciphertext. And anybody who grabs the ciphertext, if the person understands how many times you've actually done, or whichever of them you're using, and how many times it's been rotated, can reverse the process to get what the input is. And here we go with the next one, which looks really junky like. Now this is still a form of rot. It's still a rot, still rotating, but this looks a little bit more messed up. Again, we'll just grab this and go dump it in that. Since we still have that window open, let's go try it out and see what it's going to give us. So I'm going to put it in here. Damn. So this is not 13, this is actually 47. I could try 18. 47. Okay, go. You spin me right round, baby, right round. 47 times. It's pretty weird, but it's dope. I like that. All right, so we're going to put that in here quickly, and I think we're good to go. Great. So next we've got. Trust me, anybody who sees this is like, damn, what did you just put here? This looks like complete rubbish, absolute nonsense. Okay, so I'm not sure what it is, but one good way to try is we could copy this gibberish or this nonsense. An average person, or even more than an average person, won't make sense out of this, and we could go to ask Google anyways. So let's do some googling. We'll put that in there into Google. Let's see what it's going to throw back at us. I'm going to dump this in there and see what comes back. Google's got bigger brain, much bigger brain. So I can see it's a Morse code. Great. So it's a Morse code. So let's go decipher that gibberish cipher, Morse cipher. Hey, my internet sucks, I know. Okay, we're just chilling for it to return back something at us. This is taking forever, you know. Can get frustrated. Okay, so we'll put that gibberish in there and we'll translate it. Let's see what comes back to us from the gibberish. What's the return? Telecommunication. Okay. Okay, great. Now I think we're at number, I'm not sure what number this is, but you have actually learned a bunch of, I think I only grabbed a part of it. I should grab everything. You've learned quite a number of uh, uh, embedding how to hide stuff in plain sight. So you could use this, you could go practice this on your own. Maybe you want to communicate in a secret way. You don't want someone to actually understand what you're trying to say with the person. You could choose any of these and then the person understands, the person can always decode it quickly and then grab what, or you could even write a script that does this, right? I think there are some open source script that you just take care of it without stress. Great. So we are good to go. Now the next one, again, this is just numbers but in sets. So I'm not sure what it is exactly, but I think it's something which I've seen before. But I'm going to copy this and go check in with Google again. But I think it's something I've seen before, BCD or so. But let's go check that out. I'm just going to Google. I think it's BCD. I'm not sure. But Google will tell us. I'm just going to dump it in Google as usual and see what comes back. It might tell me. If it doesn't, then I'll try BCD. Decimal, ASCII to hex. That's not an. It's not a hex character. So I'll do BCD to hex. Let's try since it didn't come back anything. Okay, great. BCD to hex. So I'm going to try BCD to hex and see if I'm able to decipher that gibberish stuff that we had there going on. I'm going to dump this gibberish in here and convert it to hex. And let me see what returns back at me. Valid. That's invalid. I'm not sure why. I don't know exactly why. Should we had probably that's binary code. Binary code decimal, right? Binary code decimal. Binary code decimal. It's still running. Is it still running? Please input a valid BCD. Let's go back because I know BCD is actually binary. Binary coded. Should I check this Google out? Google results and see. Do I need a separator? I'm going to paste it in here. Unpack this BCD. Okay, great. So we're good to go. So that one didn't actually do a good job. I'm not sure why. And we'll go put this back in there. We'll verify if we're correct. And of course, we're good. So next, we've got this very long gibberish stuff. This is really annoying to look. Trust me. You just look at this, you're like, damn, what is this? Okay, we could go try Google as usual, but I'm not sure. I think this is a combination of a bunch of stuff. It's not just one. I think this had been reiterated over several kinds of encoding. So let's say we try. So we're going to try and see if we're able to maybe try first. I'm going to copy this. All the processes we had gone through first, let's speak. Then we had the base 64 thing. So I'm going to go copy this and go to base 64. Yeah, that's really messed up. Trust me, it's not something you just want to. So I'll try base 64. I'm not sure what it's going to, but let me try to decode it using base 64. I hope I get this right. If I don't, I'll just trash it and move on. Okay. So waiting for base 64 stuff to open. What? What is this? I'm not sure this is gonna work. I didn't realize it's this much gibberish stuff. Ooh, okay, that gave me these gibberish. Okay, so I'm going to copy this gibberish. Okay, because I know this looks like something I've seen before. It looks like the Morse code thing. So let's copy this gibberish. Maybe we had to go over this. Copy this gibberish. Then do we still have that Morse code thing open? No. Okay, let's Google. Let's do that Morse code thing. Wow, I wasn't expecting it to give me that. Coder. I think I'd used one, but I mistakenly closed it. I didn't realize I was going to need it again. I closed it. Yeah. So wait for Google to give us something. Was it this one? Okay, so we're going to dump that trash thing in here. Okay, so it looks like it gave us something that looks like binary. We're not sure what exactly it is. Whoa, look at that thing. Extended the buffer. That's some really, really trashy stuff. Whoa. Okay, so we're gonna take this and let's do binary. So dump that nonsense in here and convert this. Is it giving us something? Doesn't seem to be giving us anything. I'm not sure why. Oh, let's see. You have to give us something. Come on. I'm gonna refresh this. So we're doing binary now. Binary to ASCII. Then oh no. Okay. I'm just gonna try another one. I don't know why that thing is not giving me stuff. It really sucks. Okay. Okay. Oh no, my internet is now stuck. You can see that, right? Very interesting. What else can you ask for, you know? Yeah, there's. I'm editing some videos at the background, so it's eating up all the available memory on the Mac. Sorry, Mac. But don't crash on me, you know? So we're waiting for this. Let's see. Yeah, this is taking longer than expected. I thought this was going to be a short video. Let me go look at my social media. While that is cruising. Okay, came back with something. Check that out. See, it's the same one. We paste our stuff in here and convert it. Is it able to convert it? Maybe it's running. We'll just wait. Is there anything there? Is there like something there that I'm not seeing? I don't know. So let's see. I don't know if there's something there that I'm not seeing. Yeah, just gave me binary. Binary is refusing to give me Ascii. Why? Let me go back here and see. Let me try this again. Okay, I think I did the Morse. Then I've got this one. I'm copying this binary to Ascii. And see if this is giving me something. This is not giving me nothing. Okay. Give me this rubbish. Cool. I think this looks like something I've seen before as well. So I'm going to take this. I'm not sure what it is, but I think it's that rot thing. I'm going to go try the rot thing. Or is it? No, not this. It's this. Rot 47. So this is going back to, this looks like, this is not binary, this is BC, the binary code. I think I'm gonna copy this, guys. Okay, yeah, it's quite a lot, I know, right? This is the BCD thing. I'm gonna put this here. Okay, so we got something cool. Let's make this a bit trickier. Okay, damn you, I got you. So we're gonna put this here. I think that's the answer. And we are done with the first phase. Yup. So let's go to the second phase. This is steganography. So hiding stuffs in maybe audio file or maybe in pictures or maybe. So I see there's a file that we're supposed to download here, and we're supposed to download the file and maybe look for the hidden stuff in the file. So I hope there are no malicious stuff, but I'm on the Mac, and if it downloads the malicious stuff, I think it's just going to eat it up. So we've got this secrets audio thing downloading. We're going to wait for it. Maybe we can use, I can use GarageBand to analyze that audio. Let me see. Let me try. I think I've got Wavelab here. Where's the audio? Is this right? Let me open it with Wavelab. Let me open it with WavePad. Whoa, damn. Gonna listen to it? Come on, look at that. That sounds really creepy. Like aliens communicating, right? Okay, so guys, what do you think we can do about this? This looks really like aliens talking to each other. I'm not sure exactly what that is. We're gonna go back to that task. I don't know exactly what they want me to do there, but I think there's something hidden in this. So I need to look for a way to analyze the frequencies, and probably if I stretch it open, will I be able to see something? Who knows? Let me see. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. No, there's nothing there. Yeah, let's go back to the task. I'm not sure exactly what they want us to do. I'm going to close this. So let's read. Let's say in the spectrum of visual representation of a spectrograph is a visual representation of the spectrum of frequencies of a signal as it varies with time. Okay, true. When applied to an audio signal, spectrograms are called sonographs. Okay, so this is a sonograph. Voice prints or voice grams when the data is represented in 3D. Okay, waterfalls. Okay, great. So what are we supposed to do here? Can we check on the hints? See? Audacity. Oh, don't have Audacity. No, don't have Audacity. I've got Wavelab. I should be able to use Wavelab or even GarageBand because I'm on a Mac, right? So what do I need to do here? I'm not sure exactly what I should do here. Anyways, I don't know what it wants me to do. So can we load the file? I just loaded the file, and what do I need to do if I load the file? Mm. Okay, I'm gonna try that again. I'm gonna open it with Wavelab. Then maybe I can try something. I don't know. It's been a while I used a tool like this, so I'm not sure exactly. Okay, I'm gonna look around region FFT and T. Okay, wait. Open the TFFT dialog, which allows you to analyze and mix frequencies over a period of time. Let's see. Look at that super secret message. Got some hiding there, right? Whoa. Okay, super secret message. Can we go check? We're not sure if this is what they want us to see in this dumb file. So I'm going to close this. Super secrets message. Is this what they want us to see? Did we get it right? Oh yeah, we got it right. Okay, cool. So super secret message. So that was hidden in that trash stuff. Okay, we passed that one. Then this is for spectrogram. Next is steganography. So I think I may have made a mistake mentioning steganography for spectrogram. Spectrogram is actually hiding in the voice. So a message in the voice. Steganography is where we can use a MIDI file or even an audio file probably. So I'm going to download this task also. I'm not sure exactly what they want us to do with this, but let's check it out. We'll download it, then maybe we'll try to see if we can play around exactly. But what they're telling us here is that it's a practice of concealing a file, message, image, or video within another file. So we got that download. I'm not sure what it is, but I think it should be safe. I'm gonna open it up. Whoa. Like, seriously, is this the best you can? What is this? Noodles. Whoa. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna close that. I think there's something hidden in this. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but there are quite a bunch of tools that we can use to find what is hidden in this. I'm not sure. There should be an online. Let's ask Google. There should be an online tool actually that can allow us open that file and probably extract what is hidden in it. But I think I'm not sure. So ask Google as usual. Look for steganographic decoder. There might be an online. I'm gonna try this first one that pops up. Let's see if I can load that image in there. Go choose a file. I hope there is no password. We don't have to crack password. If it's password, it's not password saved anyways. So view raw outputs in MIME text, plain text. Let's see if it's gonna give us something. Is it gonna give us something? Is it gonna give us something? Well, this internet looks like I'm in the 90s or so. Even 90s was way better than this. Whoa, guys, look at this. Remember that? I used to remember back in school, I go to the internet center and you're trying to browse, and they call it the ICT center, and you open the Google and you see that small thing that rolls like this. It rolls for like 30 minutes before the page loads. It's exactly what it feels like right now. See, it's just rolling and rolling and it's not loading nothing. What? Waiting. I'm waiting patiently. This is a test for patience. I think it's testing my patience. I'm going to keep my cool. I'll pass your test. Let's go see what the next task look like. And this looks like we'll be doing some file extensions. Security through obscurity. I like that word. It is the reliance and security engineering, secrecy design. Okay, so more like relying on design, security embedded in design as a way to secure stuff or hide stuff, even though we know that's not cool anyways. So download and get inside the file. What is the first file name and extension? Let's download this quickly. Meme. Meme. Okay. What is the first file? File name and extension. So I see that's an image, but that doesn't look like the name here. Okay, so I'm gonna go in. The file we just downloaded is meme.jpg. Okay, let's open this. We're not sure what is in there. Just do it. Did you just use a saxophone as an icon? Improvise, I've done to overcome. This is pretty cool, you know. Okay, I could look up information, maybe more. Will it show me details about the file? Get info. Could there be anything hidden there? That's really funny, meme. Okay. More info. File name and extension. It's just meme.jpg. So there's nothing there, right? There's nothing there. Okay. Is this other thing done? Let's go see. spaghetti steak. Okay, so that's what decided. Yeah, this is really cool. Yummy. I feel like eating that spaghetti. Okay, so we're gonna paste this in here. Let's be hopeful that's the correct answer. Okay, that's fine. Then we are at the last phase. Now this last phase seems a little bit everywhere. I'm seeing just an image. I'm not sure what exactly we're supposed to do with it. But we could try. I don't know. We could try. Mm. We could try. We got the file downloaded, and obviously something is hidden in there. Mm. What if I try to open it from my terminal? Right? Let me see. Um, okay. Where am I? Can I go to download? Can I open that .jpeg? Oh, JPG. It's mean. Command not found. It's just playing around anyways. This looks like a bunch of crap. But what can I say? There might be something hidden somewhere. I know you guys. It's a lot of rubbish, right? Whoa. Look at that, guys. Let's look in between the lines. Can we see anything? May not be able to see something because of my eyes now. I can see these things. But this looks like some random. Could there be an encoding happening in there? It's obviously the same thing. No, it's different. So the first one, is it the same? They look different. I'm seriously talking to myself now. That's the height of being crazy. What are you guys trying to hide in this gibberish? I obviously can't see nothing in here. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I need to look closely. I don't know. Is it it's not steganography. Security by obscurity. It's not steganography. So I'm not sure what it is. Mm. We have to go back to the top. Let's try to look again. Okay, I'm gonna put on my third eyes and see if there's anything hidden. I wish someone was here to watch with me, anyways. Probably the person would have been great help. My eyes are already hurting, but I'm just gonna look deep into it. If I don't find it, guys, I'm sorry. I have to shut the video here because mm, 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 mm. Hmm. Oh, yeah. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Almost at the last one. Mm, Could it be my Mac? Could it be my Mac? I'm going to clear this. Is there Vim in here? Let me try to open it with Vim. Maybe this might be better. I'm going to stretch this open. So, with the colors, it just might help me. Okay, go from here to the top. This has got lots of colors, and it just might be something. Oh man, if I don't find it here, then I'm just gonna end the video. I probably I'll look for it later and maybe let you guys know if I find something. So there's a whole bunch of stuffs in here, guys. You see, it's like they just copied someone's terminal. Meme.jpg, meme.jpg. Then all this gibberish stuff. I'm still seeing meme.jpg. Okay, I think this is it, guys. At least we're almost done. So the video is taking too long. I'm gonna stop it here. And if I find it, probably I'll just leave a chat. Yeah, got it. Thanks, guys, for sticking around with me. Apologies. I wish I was on my Kali. There are a bunch of other tools I would have been used to do this on my Parrot, but I'm just on the Mac and there's barely nothing in here. That's my lame excuse. Thanks for sticking out with me. And I guess this is where I quit the video. And we're 86% done. We're almost there. So I'll get it probably, maybe when I get it on my Parrot, I'll hang out with you guys again. Cool. Then we can finish it up. Alright. Thanks for your time and bye.